Hey everybody, it's Adele, and I haven't been on here for a while, and there's a really big reason. I am in a new place, and I have some surprises to show you. I've decided to go all in with Chalk Couture, and so I just want to show you what's happening. I have a brand new to me. Sorry, I accidentally almost turned off the feed. So I have a brand new to me studio, and this is what it looks like. I'm really super excited about it. We have a place right here where 3 to 4 people could be chalking, and we have a place over here where 3 people could chalk here very comfortably, maybe 4, and we could also put up tables. So I just wanted to share this little announcement with you that I do have a studio, and it is Chalk Couture specific, and there's places where people can shop if they want to purchase transfers, and I'll have more pace, but it's taken a while to get this done, and now it is complete, basically. There's a few things I want to do to finish off, like I'm gonna paint that grate right there. But anyway, this is pretty exciting for me. I've kept this under my belt for a while, even from my family. Hello family, sorry. But this is my Chalk Couture studio, and there's lots of room, and I'm very excited. I can't wait. And here's the other side here. Just walk up to the other side. There's some chairs and tables, and that's it. Sorry I haven't been on in a while, but there has been a reason. I've been busy getting ready and putting this studio together, and I'm really excited. If you saw the before and after pictures, you would be shocked at how much has gotten done, thanks to my good friend Delila. So anyway, that's it, and I hope you guys, I'm really excited because I'm going to convention. I'm leaving tomorrow morning to head to convention, so I'm super excited to share with you some of the new products that are coming out, and I will be doing multiple lives here on this page to show you the new products and talk about what Chalk Couture is doing. So that's it. I hope you guys have a good day. I'm super excited. Anyway, talk to you soon. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.